So if you listen carefully, you can hear the cicadas. They are out today. Hear them? Sorry, there's a spider crawling on. Wow, they are loud. This is June 6th, and this is the first day that I've actually heard them. June 6th, 2021. The cicadas are here in Pennsylvania. I've been out in the woods the past couple days, and this is the first day that I've heard them. That spider just keeps crawling on my phone. Sorry about that. I don't know. I must be the first person on the trail today because I'm walking through spider webs as always. I don't really mind it. Wow. They are loud. Let's see if we could find any. Oh, I think I see one already. That didn't take long at all. Yeah, I was thinking those were cicadas right there. Yep, there's one. There's another one. I'm using my secondary phone because my other phone storage is pretty full right now, so the quality may not be as good. I will try to get some better quality pictures and videos of the cicadas before my walk here is over. But I think the other day when I posted the picture of those holes in the ground, now I think I know what those holes were. And then I did see the cicadas up close right after that. Oh, look at this. Looks like a bee's nest. Or what is that? Oh yeah, that's definitely a bee's nest. Oh my god. It was kind of scary. See it? Yep, there goes the bee. I'm gonna leave that one alone. Yes, so they are out. You can hear them now. They're loud too. Kind of like sounds like a bunch of crickets or something like that. They gotta be all through these woods because that's loud. It's coming from every direction. That tree, this tree right here is getting eaten out right from the bottom up. That's gonna fall at some point because there's like termites or something eating right at the base of that tree. Someone should chop that down. It looks like they get to a lot of these trees. They're just falling. There must be some kind of invasive species that's just eating a lot of these trees because it's an unusual amount of trees down if you look, and it doesn't seem like it's related just to making the trail. This trail was here longer. There's no sign that any of these trees were on this path. This path was here longer than that. Yeah, there's something like eating the trees around here. For sure, because there's a lot of fallen trees even far away from the trail, so that have just fallen, collapsed. You can see a lot of these trees over here and back in the woods too. So it's not like they were cleared out. There's no evidence that they were chopped down to make this little trail. No, this trail was basically just, it basically just goes with the flow of the forest here. So there's something eating the trees. Like I said, probably some kind of invasive species. This is my favorite tree here, just because it's just a monster tree. Whenever I pass it, I'm just like, whoa, it's a big tree. You can see here. See, there's something just as compared to the other sides. Something's just eating the trees away. But yeah, first day of cicadas, can really hear them. They're creepy looking too. They look alien. No point intended. But they are an ugly looking bug. I think that was a firefly. What is that? I thought I saw something. Yep. Another cicada. Strange, very strange. I can't remember off the top of my head how many years it is that they come out, but I'm sure you can do a quick Google search, and I mean, I've heard it for the past couple weeks and months how many years it is apart that they come out, but I just can't remember off the top of my head. It wasn't something that I made a note of. Hello. And as you can see here too, the bottom of this tree looks like it's just kind of being eaten away. Jogger just ran by. That's why I had to put my phone down. A lot of people jog and hike and bike ride on these trails, which is cool. Usually I do have it all to myself though, as you can see, which is neat. I often off camera I go explore other things too, other places, and then if I find anything worth sharing, I typically get pictures or video and share them when I could. Right now my storage and my video log is pretty backed up. I've been slacking on getting things uploaded because I upload a lot of things on multiple platforms, and so it takes me a while to get everything edited and uploaded and then saved on a cloud or a hard drive, and then finally delete and make more room. So, but I've been getting things uploaded at a pretty regular pace, but I'm still pretty backed up. That's why I have to use my secondary phone today, because I just have so much stuff on my primary phone and storage that I got to start getting it saved and uploaded elsewhere, and then I can make more room. Wow, here you can really hear them.